In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute emails in Gmail. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top of the screen and click into the search mail bar. Type is muted into the search box, making sure you include the colon with no spaces. Press enter on your keyboard to run the search. Gmail will now display all conversations that are currently muted in your account. Click to open the specific email conversation you want to unmute. Once the message is open, go to the top horizontal toolbar above the email and click the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, click Unmute. This will restore the conversation. So future replies will return to your inbox. After unmuting, go back to the search results to see the remaining muted emails. If you want to unmute multiple conversations at once, click the checkboxes to the left of each email you want to restore. Once selected, click the More icon in the toolbar that appears at the top of the inbox, then choose Unmute. If you want to unmute all muted emails at once, click the checkbox in the upper left corner to select all visible conversations. Then click the More icon in the top toolbar and select Unmute to restore them in bulk. There you have it. You can try it now and manage your muted conversations easily. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.